cottage cheese, about a half a cup, sprinkle of mozzarella, 1 egg, and some salt. Mix it up in a little chopper. Need a pan this size and 2 little minis. And we'll put that in the oven, and that'll be our pizza crust. And it's so yummy. And I'll put the toppings. Here I am, just putting on some little bit of the marinara, and then a little bit of, well, a bit of cheese. This is what the crust looks like. And then I'm just gonna pack that in there, and then I'll see what I'm gonna add. So next I'm gonna add some mushroom stems and pieces, and I just cut some up here because I like them chopped. And then I'll just dip some of them on there just like that, the juice and all. And then of course plenty of pepperoni, and I like extra. So let's see. Just kind of throw them on there like I did the cheese actually. And then I'll take a spoon and dip into here. This is green chilies. Making a mess. And I just I like extra of these too. It has a really good flavor, and they're not hot. These are the medium ones. Excuse my mess. I'm gonna do this with the phone in one hand. And I'll just add the pepperonis on top. And I'll show you what it looks like in a second. There you go. I'm just gonna put that in the oven. And there's your good protein packed lunch. I was making that for myself today, and so just figured I would video, and even my daughter can watch and see how to make too. All right, thank y'all. And there's the finished product. You can do it on a pizza crust, pizza pan too, and put it on parchment paper. But also I forgot to say that I cooked it on 375 for the crust only for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then the toppings on, and put it back in there for still on 375 for I really didn't time it, sorry. I would say 10 to 15 minutes, depending on, like, I even like my, like, those are pretty good and done, but I even like my pepperonis even more done. So, but, so just however long till the pepperonis get to your liking. All right, enjoy. So here is the cottage cheese mixture crust. I made an extra little one with what I had left over to see if I could freeze it and then defrost it and then just make it. So that way could miss the part of, I could skip the part of making the crust. So like the crust, this one's a little thinner one that I had made too. It's the bottom of it. See, just inside it's just and it tastes good by itself too. Here's the finished product. About to eat it. It is so yummy, thin crust, and it's hot right now. It's so good.